Alright, your hard-to-load transloading unit developed by the Transfer Corrosive Chemical and Abrasive Materials. And we're going to zoom in, and it shows a nice little picture of a tanker car. And the over here, hard-to-load transloading unit, hydrochloric acid. It's a loading platform, 11 to 10.5 inches, model chassis, fifth wheel attachment, hydrogen chloric transloading. Two gangway access, one railway car, one truck yard, sideway gangway is equipped with safety cages, self-leveling stairs on truck side, reach height over the on rail side gauge, adjusting customer requirements. Handrails, hand grabs are required. OSHA corrosion resistant fiberglass, creating a wetted with the area of the equipment mounting, surface loading, hosing per customs. Specification on material construction painted, coated with corrosion resistant. The FRP toolbox, additional storage. Additional options not included. The package maintenance contract, 2 years on site during initial startup. Your transfer system safely efficient over the pump of the product of the rail car, tank, truck with a hard piping provided with the pump of the customer specified with loading housing. Product pump of the ETFE line with the painted cost of the iron pump, the mag drive with the maximum capacity flows. You with the determined with the rail car dip tube diameter, 3 inches UHMWPE product piping pump sung. Suction, inlet bracket, strainer products, brief, debris, solids, and product shuttle valve. The actuator protects against acid spills. Power monitoring protects product with a pump with a dry run. 2.5-inch UHMWPE product line piping pump discharge product flow meter. Flow rate indicator inside operator shelter batching functionality. Batching mode flow meter automatically cover the shuttle valve shuts off the pump once if the proper amount of fluid has been transferred. Then it shows your volts and pH, the horsepower, the FLA, the capacity, and the commodity. Common pipe materials UHMWPE, PTFE, line painted steel or sulfuric acid, stainless steel with sulfuric dioxide and other liquefied gases. An additional option of the standard product flow meter with the PFE. PVDF pad wheel PTFE line magnetic flow meter that can be used and installed upon customer's request. Truck loading on a code-fitted overfill production switch. Your structure and shelter as the end of the model and shaft of the fifth wheel with attachment painted carbon steel thread with a paint per Sherman's William recommendation harsh chemical value environment of the galvanized carbon steel structure with two retractable gangways adjustable to chain stops. Loading platform to be 11 foot or 10 inches high. Large loading platforms, two gangways to access one rail car, one truck. All handrails and hand grabs are required. OSHA each gangway capacities to be 500 pounds. Walking surface stairs, OSHA compliant with stairway with the intermediate platform runs ground level to load platform, graded fiberglass for walking equipment mounted surface with a retractable boom bottom stair. Alright, the FRP weather shelter, waterproof shelter, fully enclosed operator cabin with a window with the three side interior, exterior LED lighting provided with a control panel and shelter provided with a fully enclosed operation monitoring of the system, AC and heater. Units are mounted with the cabin and operator control. GFI located with a 120 volt Allen GFI protected 20 amp located on power panel inside cabin outside. Additional options: chemical resistant liner gangways, paint structure rather than galvanized, Amoco, Wheaton and swivel bypass loading. Or your blower compressor system, the hydrochloride unit, blower unit, the hydrogen sulfide unit is compressor operated included with water, coalescent filters, check valve with place regulated pressure pad, tanker car prime product. The package is included with the plumbing air connection with the rail car pressure regulator, pressure gauge included. Blower includes air intake filter, discharge silencer, check valves, horizontal storage tank, 60 gallons of hydrochloric, 200 gallons of hydrosulfide. And then shows the voltage, horsepower, the FLA capacity with the commodity. Alright, your safe shower system, safety showers, wash system over the inside requirements of product transfer operation. 2 shower wash station, one on the ground, one over the loading platform. Eye wash shower activated locally by handle eye wash pull hanger shower. Pump is energized proximity switch of the eye wash handle with the shower pull valve with the red stack line light in operated with the cabin eliminated with the pump energized aluminum horn notified with the eye wash and shower activation pump puts out into e-stop mode with the pump side with the OSHA flow rate standard of the systems are available with galvanized stainless steel. So the safety shower power volts, 203 volts, 1.5 horsepower, 9.95 amps, style right, PD2HF, capacity 50 at 70 foot, 50 gallons per minute at 70 feet. Shower heat trace system include the shower system thermostatic activated thermostat energy of the trace circuitry with a heat all of the wetted pipe, preventing rupture of the piping of the freezing web of the freezing protection further protecting pipe of the pump, the casing with the tracing failure per electric code ground fault indicator wired to the heat trace of the circuit with a SAS light indicating with the ground fault failure condition. Vertical storage tank, the 700-gallon vertical storage tank with 16-inch manway cover for removable breather bowl, impact-resistant cross-line resin heating pad with a 2-inch polyurethane insulation matting, mastitic coating, dial thermostatic on tank keeps on water at desired temperature. Alright, washdown system. Washdown system provides tank hosing pump with a nozzle with a spray application for the fresh water into a rail car tank truck. New guide components system available to galvanized stainless steel piping. Washdown pump 230 volts with 1.5 horsepower 9.6 with the SDARI CJ90F with a 15 gallon per minute at 115 feet. System has reverse pressure for the energizer of the pump with a handle squeeze level, control pump panel illuminated with the pump and energizer with the two housing hookup with the one ground level, the upper level near the cabin. Your washdown heat trace system included with the washdown system, the thermostatic activated with the thermostat energizes the heat trace circuitry with the heat all of the wetted piping, preventing rupture of the piping and the freezing web of the freezing protection valve with the protective pump and the pipe at the pump in case of tracing failure per electric code ground fault protected wired inch heated tracing circle with the SAS light indicated with the ground fault condition. Vertical storage tank, 120-gallon vertical storage tank with 6-inch access pipe, 2-inch removable breather port with impact resistant cross-link resin heating pad with a 2-inch polyurethane insulation aesthetic coating. Your vapor scrubber, your wet scrubber system provides only provided on all units will product fumes that must be mitigated with a hydrochlorine sulfide dioxide, sulfur oxide, etc. PVC body with a polypropylene internal recirculating system scrubber or water recirculated with the V with the magnet drive with the pump to reinforcement polyurethane propanol pump case 200-gallon scrubber water storage tank included with remote readout with a recirculating flow rate and percentage acid PHA scrubber the water mount with a control panel operating cab. The house provided allow with the vapor to the flow and the scrubber the bolt for the truck and the rail car. Restrictor plate provide rail car side with a pressurized vapor may be prevented with the scrubber to sacrificing removal efficiency. Scrubber size to meet the minimum removal efficiency criteria prior to the federal guidelines. Axle fan include assisting fume capture and truck when manway lid is open. Your scrubber heat trace system included with a scrubber sheet with a thermostatic activated thermostat energized with a heat trace circuitry that will heat all wetted piping, preventing rupture of the piping and freezing well the freezing protection valve with the protecting pipe to pump with the case with the truck using failure per electric code with the ground fault protected with a wired in heat trace circuit status light indicated ground fault feature and condition. And then show the transloading unit, fifth wheels system, and that was your transloading unit, and I think that's the only one we have of that.